Alright you guys, it is moving northeast of us. And here comes the rain. Okay, let's move back so I don't get soaking wet. This is where I've been seeing a lot of lightning right there. There's the lightning. It's right in between these trees. Let's see if I can get it dark enough for you guys. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Good old Texas, United States of America, spring weather. Look at that. Yeah. Whoa. That's got to be where the pond is. Yeah, it's... Okay. Okay, you guys, we're inside my house. Well, it's not my house. This is, on the back side of the property. That's the camp area, so if my friends want to come over and spend a weekend, they have their own little campsite over there. It's moving away from us. Alright you guys, it's only a little thunderstorm. Hopefully next week we will have another thunderstorm. I hope you people enjoy these videos of the thunderstorm and lightning and hail. We didn't see no tornadoes this year. There is a tornado warning, but it's over East Texas. Hope you guys love these videos. Again, what I said in the previous video, we are in May. Next month is June. That's the final Texas excuse me, Texas thunderstorm season. So join me next time. We're still doing Texas storm season of 2021, and this is what I do when there's a thunderstorm. I love doing videos of lightning, even though they are extremely dangerous. Somebody asked me, where did that lightning struck couple while back on a previous video where it said the close lightning strike. Allow me to show you. You see that tree right there? Right there, you guys. That's where the lightning struck. It was right there. And so I was happened to be in my car doing video, and there was a tornado that night, but it was on the other side of the property and wasn't nowhere near us. Thank God it wasn't. Anyway guys, please subscribe me, and I'll see you next time. God bless you all, guys.